to sit down in your car. Good boy. Turn around.
Look at rice all over his face. Huh?
It's okay. Close the door. You can drive with the door open.
Close the door.
Hi, baby. Honk your horn.
Blow the horn.
Yeah, look at me.
Right here. Speed on there already.
Come on, get out the picture. Baby.
Look. One, two, three. Blow your horn.
It's a nice little car.